Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the right paint sprayer can make all the difference in achieving a smooth, even finish for your projects. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've researched and reviewed the 7 best paint sprayers for professional and DIY projects to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. From high-quality performance to user-friendly features, these sprayers promise to take your painting experience to the next level. Let's dive in with number 1. Ciao! Number 1. MirrorZone Paint Sprayer Tool, Electric Spray Paint Gun. The MirrorZone Paint Sprayer Tool is designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals who seek a reliable and efficient paint sprayer. Its lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, making it ideal for a variety of projects, whether you're working on furniture, fences, or walls. The powerful motor delivers consistent, smooth coverage for a flawless finish, helping you avoid streaks and uneven surfaces. This electric spray paint gun is equipped with an adjustable nozzle, allowing you to customize the spray pattern according to the task at hand. Whether you need a fine mist for delicate work or a wide fan for larger surfaces, the MirrorZone sprayer offers versatility to suit your needs. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, reducing strain on your wrist and hand. One of the standout features of this tool is its easy-to-clean design. The nozzle and paint container are detachable, allowing for quick and hassle-free maintenance. The durable build quality ensures long-lasting performance, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to streamline their painting projects. Overall, the MirrorZone Paint Sprayer Tool is a dependable choice for achieving a professional-grade finish without the complexity. So,
still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. VONFORN Paint Sprayer 700W HVLP Spray Gun. The VONFORN 700W HVLP paint sprayer is a high-performance tool designed to deliver excellent results for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a 700W motor, this sprayer provides ample power for a smooth, even application of paint, stain, and varnish. Its high-volume, low-pressure HVLP technology ensures minimal overspray and maximum efficiency, making it ideal for both detailed and large-scale painting tasks. The design of the VONFORN sprayer emphasizes user comfort and ease of use. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, even during prolonged sessions, while the adjustable air cap allows you to switch between horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, from furniture refinishing to fence painting. Durability is another key feature of the VONFORN paint sprayer. Constructed with high-quality materials, this sprayer is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. The large paint container ensures you can work on extended projects without needing to refill, making it efficient and time-saving. With the focus on both performance and user-friendliness, the VONFORN 700W HVLP spray gun is a great option for those seeking professional results with minimal hassle. Number 3. HomeRight C80971, a super finish paint sprayer. The HomeRight C80971, a super finish paint sprayer, is a versatile tool designed to tackle a variety of painting tasks, from small DIY projects to larger home improvement jobs. This HVLP sprayer delivers a fine, smooth finish with minimal overspray, ensuring you can complete your projects with precision and efficiency. What makes the HomeRight C80971 a standout is its adjustable settings, which allow users to control the paint flow, spray pattern, and air pressure. This makes it suitable for a wide range of materials, including paint, stain, and polyurethane. The adjustable nozzle is perfect for providing a flawless finish, whether you're working on a piece of furniture or an entire wall. Another notable feature is the lightweight design. The sprayer is easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during long projects. The 39-ounce container holds a generous amount of paint, so you don't have to worry about frequent refills. The HomeRight C80971. A super finish paint sprayer is ideal for those looking for a user-friendly tool that delivers a professional-grade finish without a steep learning curve. Number 4. Xavax 1000W High-Power Electric Spray Paint Gun. The Xavax 1000W High-Power Electric Spray Paint Gun is a heavy-duty sprayer designed to handle large and demanding projects. With a powerful 1000 W motor, this sprayer delivers an impressive level of force, allowing you to apply a consistent layer of paint quickly and effectively. It's ideal for professional painters or homeowners with significant painting needs. The spray gun features an adjustable nozzle that enables you to switch between different spray patterns, including horizontal, vertical, and circular. This gives you the flexibility to tackle a variety of surfaces and applications. The high power output ensures a smooth, even finish, whether you're painting walls, ceilings, or outdoor structures. The Xavax paint sprayer is also designed for user comfort. The ergonomic handle reduces hand strain, and the lightweight body ensures it's easy to maneuver, even during extended use. Additionally, it's built with durability in mind, featuring high-quality materials that can withstand frequent use on tough projects. For those in need of a high-powered and efficient paint sprayer, the Xavax 1000W is a top contender. Number 5. LIFOVE 700W HVLP High-Power Electric Paint Sprayer. The LIFOVE 700W HVLP High-Power Electric Paint Sprayer combines the power of a 700W motor with the precision of HVLP technology, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. Whether you're painting a fence, deck, or furniture, this sprayer is designed to deliver smooth, consistent results with minimal overspray, saving you time and effort in the process. This sprayer is equipped with multiple adjustable settings, allowing you to control the paint flow and spray pattern. You can easily switch between horizontal, vertical, and circular patterns, depending on your project's needs. The large paint container allows you to work for extended periods without needing to refill, and the detachable components make cleaning up quick and simple. The LIFOVE sprayer's ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use. The lightweight body and soft handle make it easy to maneuver, even when spraying large areas. The durable construction ensures that this sprayer will last through many projects, making it a reliable option for both professionals and DIYers. With its combination of power, flexibility, and ease of use, the LIFOVE 700W HVLP sprayer is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their painting experience. Number 6. Wagner Spraytech Handheld HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Wagner Spraytech Handheld HVLP Paint Sprayer is a compact yet powerful tool designed to handle a variety of painting tasks with ease. Featuring HVLP technology, this sprayer ensures that you achieve a fine, professional finish while minimizing overspray, which helps save paint and reduce cleanup time. The sprayer is equipped with an adjustable spray nozzle, allowing you to switch between different spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round. This flexibility makes it perfect for tackling a variety of surfaces, from furniture and cabinets to fences and walls. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, ensuring that your arm won't tire during long projects. What sets this sprayer apart is its ease of use. The simple design means even beginners can achieve great results without much prior experience. The detachable container allows for quick paint refills, and the nozzle is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. The Wagner Spraytech Handheld HVLP Paint Sprayer is a fantastic option for those who want professional results without the need for complex equipment or techniques. Number 7. Graco Magnum Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. The Graco Magnum Painter Plus Paint Sprayer is a top-of-the-line tool designed for serious DIYers and professionals who need a high-performance sprayer for large projects. With the ability to handle both indoor and outdoor jobs, this sprayer is built to cover a wide range of applications, from walls and fences to cabinets and decks. One of the standout features of the Graco Magnum Painter Plus is its powerful piston pump, which allows it to handle thick paints and stains, ensuring a smooth, even application. This model also features a flexible suction tube, allowing you to spray directly from the paint can, reducing the need for constant refilling. The sprayer is designed with ease of use in mind. The pressure control knob lets you adjust the flow to suit the specific project you're working on, while the stainless steel piston pump provides long-lasting durability. With the Graco Magnum Painter Plus, you can achieve professional-level finishes with minimal effort, making it a valuable tool for both experienced professionals and enthusiastic DIYers. Choosing the right paint sprayer can make your next project a breeze, whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast. These 7 best paint sprayers offer a variety of features, from powerful motors to easy cleanup and everything in between. Each one is designed to make your painting experience faster, smoother, and more professional looking. Let us know in the comments which sprayer is your favorite, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.